Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks, and I'm back today. I was so stoked about trying this new CC style I've never tried before, so go ahead and stay tuned to see what that is. And also, thank you guys so much. We are so close to 500 subscribers. We're at like 431 right now. You guys know we're trying to get the channel monetized. Okay, we're trying to get some sponsorships, all right? So this bag was also gifted to me by BABALA bags. I will definitely put all the information up here on the screen, and also I'll put it in the description box below and also in the comments. Also, make sure you guys are staying tuned to my community tab here on my channel. It's very important. That's where I give little updates about daily handbags and little beauty items and all that good stuff. So one thing that I must say, BABALA bags packaging, they don't play around. This time shipping was very fast. Shipping took about a week, maybe a little bit less than that. So shipping this time was very good with FedEx as well, and they're always on point. My package never comes beat up or anything. So once you get through that cardboard box, this is the box that you receive. Beauty that I picked out. So this is the gorgeous coco flap in the small size. So I will definitely put the dimensions to this exact one in the description, and I'll probably put it up here on the screen because Chanel, they changed the sizing to the coco flaps. So to be honest, all the sizings are like push back or push down. So like the small is the medium and the medium is the large and all that good stuff. But I'll put the exact link to this one below because this one is the small, and there's even a smaller version to this one. So that one I would say is the mini. But anyways, nonetheless, I wanted to show you guys just how great the packaging is and how very well taken care of and attention to detail BABALA bags pays. So you guys can see my feet come wrapped. The handle is wrapped. The CCs are also wrapped right here. Let me fix the contrast, but as you guys can see, this is the true colors. This is like a nice burgundy cranberry color. Really pretty for this spring and summer. And I just wanted to try the coco flap because I think it's so cute and so feminine. So you guys can see, I'm showing you guys how it looks stuffed. So they stuff your bag really good. You get the strap in there, and that's how she looks, and that's exactly how she will come. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all that off. So this is the gorgeous strap, and I really like this antique brushed looking gold on the hardware. It is so pretty. And here go the CCs. You guys can see that. How on the coco flap it says Chanel on the front here on the buckle, and then on the rivet, and then on the back it says 31 Rue Cambon, Paris. So let me see if I could show you guys that real quick. Y'all see that? So that is such a nice detailing, and it's on both of the rivets. Guys, the inside flap, it is fabric, and then you have your chip there. And every time I see people do reviews on the coco flaps, I never knew that right here is a nice slip pocket. I just thought that it was just like a piece, like a little divider. It's actually a good pocket that has usage. So I'm gonna keep my my little Chanel card and the little tag in there. I just think that is so cute. Two other pockets right here. There's also two other pockets where you can put your lip combo. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So I have my wallet, my other card holder, my nail kit. You guys know I put a little nail kit in there, so we love that. Nail kit, lotion. Okay, you guys see I put my AirPods right there. And then my lip combo, which is my lip liner, my lip gloss, and my lipstick. I'm gonna put right here in that front slip pocket. So I just love this bag because it's so cute and a very organizational. Like, look at that. And you have so much space for so much more. I'm gonna put my little mini face powder in that second slip pocket. So right there. And then I'm gonna show you guys how my phone and makeup brush fits. So I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, so I slipped my phone case back there in the back pocket. And then my makeup brush, I can either slip it right next to my powder, or say if you don't want it closing on the flap of your bag, we also can just put it right here by our perfume, or we could even fit it in the little back pocket back here. But of course, if you're a makeup girly, you want to reach that. So that's pretty much everything that I would carry, and I love how it just fits everything so organizational and really cute. So we love that. And that is how everything fits. So it is so nice and super dainty, really cute for this spring summer. It's gonna look so dope with the cute graphic tee, a long maxi dress. Super cute and classy and different than a regular classic flap.
Everybody wanna swing my way, 'cause they heard I got a bang.
On this gorgeous, fabulous coco flap. This is my first coco flap in my collection, and I am so glad to have her. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.